Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add Gcash to Apple Pay. Before you can do this, you need to have a Gcash account and you need to have an Apple device like iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad or Mac with Apple Pay enabled, an iOS 11.2 or later device also. Next, after you have this, is to open the Gcash app on your device. Then log into your Gcash account using your MPIN or biometric authentication. Next, you have to tap on the dashboard tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to the payment method section. Tap on Add to Pay or Link to Apple Pay. Next, review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to proceed. Next, authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's password. Next, you have to verify your Gcash account. Gcash may send the verification code to your registered mobile number. You have to enter the verification code to complete the linking process. Review the confirmation message to ensure your Gcash account is linked to Apple Pay. Tap Done to complete the process. Once the Apple Wallet app open the Apple Wallet app on your device, verify that your Gcash account is listed as a payment method. That's it.